Imagine you're holding the world's most impressive phone in your hands. What would it look like? Where would you take it? How would it feel in your hands? What would you do with it? Could you move things around in different windows? Could you multitask? I mean, really multitask. Now imagine how strong it feels and how light. Maybe it feels dreamy when you open it. Maybe the display is state-of-the-art and the materials are just as advanced. Or maybe it just looks beautiful. Or perhaps you just take the perfect picture with it. With its cutting-edge camera system. Or maybe it's more specific. Maybe you'd capture more light and more colour than ever before. Maybe you take it and go out and film everything you can in Dolby Vision. Just to play it back in Dolby Vision later. But what's the point? What's the point of all that? Unless it also has a massive battery and super fast charging. Well, then you might just use it all day. Actually, I think if you imagine that phone, and it became a reality, you'd finally have a phone that can do everything you want. A phone that's truly open for everything.